given trinomial, meron tayong tatlong choices. The first one is a perfect square trinomial. Yung pangalawa, si general trinomial. Okay, check muna natin si numerator. Okay, so to factor the given numerator, let's check first if the given is a perfect square. O, how to identify? Check the first term and the last term. What is the first term? X squared. X squared is a perfect square. Yes. How about 6? 6 is a perfect square? Oh no. So therefore, ang i-apply natin is si general trinomial where A is equal to 1. Okay, so step 1, 2 parentheses. Okay, what is A? 1. What is B? X. What is B? 1. What is C? Negative 6. Okay, so our C is negative 6. So since our C is negative, therefore, probably the sign of the two factors are positive and negative. Okay, what is the operation at the middle term? Operation. Positive or plus. So meaning, meron tayong dalawang factors. Yung pinakamalaking factor, ang sign niya ay positive. Okay, give me a factors of negative 6 whose sum is positive 1. O, magbigay ng factors ng negative 6. O, ano ba yung factors niya? 6 times 1. Ano pa? 3 times 2. O, kung sino yung mataas, siya yung positive. Okay, we have 6 times negative 1. Ano pa? We have 3 times negative 2. Meron pa ba? Okay, kung wala na, get the sum na. So, we have 6 plus negative 1. Unlike sign, other subtract. Subtract. 6 minus 1, 5. And then, what is the sign of the bigger number? Positive. Next, we have 3 plus negative 2. Answer. Positive. Okay, sino yung factors na hinahanap? Si positive 3 at si negative 2. What is the given variable? X. Okay, and then write the factors. Positive 3 and negative 2. Now, let us proceed by the denominator. Okay. So, our denominator is also a trinomial. So, ulitin ko, kapag trinomial, meron tayong tatlong choices. Perfect square or the general trinomial where A is 1 or where A is more than 1. Check natin kung perfect square. X squared is a perfect square? Yes. How about 9? Yes. 9 is a perfect square? Yes. What is the square root of 9? 3. Square root of x squared. How to get the square root of x squared? Just copy the variable, then divide the exponent by 2. 2 divided by 2. 1. Or just simply, okay, after getting the square root, multiply 3 times x. 3x, then multiply it again by 2. Kailangan equal yan sa middle term para masabi natin perfect square. 2 times 3, 6x. Equal ba kay middle term? Yes. Therefore, we can say that this trinomial is a perfect square. What we're going to do? Okay, 2 parentheses. Inside the parentheses, what is the square root of the first term? X. Square root of the last term? 3. And then what is the sign of the middle term?